So in these videos, I'm going to give you some examples about how to determine the number of intersections between two straight lines. So please refer to the examples 4.15 in your textbook, page 4.42. So in this example, the question asks you to determine the number of intersections between two straight lines L1 and L2. So we are going to define or identify case 1, case 2, or case 3. So for part A, L1 is equals to 2x minus 6y plus 5 equals to 0. As we are going to find or to compare the slope and the y-intercept, so we are going to change the general form into the slope-intercept form. So 6y equals to negative 2x minus 5. And one more step, we divide both sides with negative 6. So after simplifying, we get that it is equals to y equals to 1 over 3 x minus or plus 5 over 6. So similarly for L2, and we get that y is equals to negative 1 over 3 x plus 7 over 3. So as you can see, for L1, the slope is equals to 1 over 3. As for L2, the slope is equals to negative 1 over 3. So therefore, we can conclude that because M1 doesn't equals to M2, we can see that it is case 1. Therefore, L1 and L2 have one intersection. Okay, then for part B, L1 it is equals to 9x minus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. So again, we are going to change it into slope-intercept form. The next step, we divide both sides with negative 6. Don't forget about the simplification. So we can get that it is y equals to 3 over 2 x minus 4 over 3. Similarly for L2, given that the equation is 6x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. And we get that y is equals to 3 over 2 x plus 3 over 4. So in this case, first we compare the slope. M1 is equals to M2. So the information is not enough to determine case 2 and case 3. So therefore, we have to take a look of the slope-intercept, y-intercept. C1 and C2. So as you can see, because M1 is equals to M2 and C1 doesn't equals to C2, so it should be case 2. Therefore, we can make the conclusion that L1 and L2 have no intersections. Okay, so similarly for part C, but I will still demonstrate how to do it. So for part C, L1 is given that 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. So after changing it into the slope-intercept form, we get that y is equals to 3 over 4 x plus 3 over 2. And for L2, the equation is 9x minus 12y plus 18 equals to 0. And again, y is equals to 3 over 4 x plus 3 over 2. So again, first we compare the slope. M1 and M2 are equal. Then we take a look of the y-intercept C1 and C2. Again, they are the same. So therefore, we know that it is case 3. The two equations are exactly the same. So we can draw the conclusion because M1 equals to M2 and C1 equals to C2. So it is case 3 in our notes. So L1 and L2 have an infinite number of intersections. Okay, so if you have any question, please take a look of the examples again. So if there is no more question, then please help me to finish the following quick patterns. Okay, that is quick patterns 4.15. And then for today's homework, so it is exercise 4C, question 11 to 17. Okay, so see you